Define location types to standardize site classification. Location master data configuration begins in the masters module to categorize operational hubs. Location types defines the classification framework for all physical and logical sites. The existing registry displays active categories like retail stations, shops, and terminals. Location type name identifies the specific business category for reporting and filtering. Location type code serves as the unique system identifier for back-end data mapping. Status determines if the category is currently available for assignment across the enterprise. Saving the record commits the new category to the global location master list. The summary view provides a comprehensive audit of the newly created location parameters. Notes allow for the attachment of internal documentation and manual operational guidelines. Uploading documents ensures that specific site requirements are centralized and accessible to administrators. Activities track the chronological history of changes to maintain a clear administrative audit trail. This centralized classification ensures consistent reporting and streamlined asset management across the organization. Thank you for watching. Connect with us to see this in action.